Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a Bosch washing machine flashing error code F16 in 2025, you're in the right place. This error typically signals an issue with the water inlet system or the door lock mechanism, which can be frustrating but is often fixable at home. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your machine running smoothly again. First off, what does error code F16 mean? In Bosch models from 2025, it usually points to problems like a blocked water inlet, a kinked hose, or even a faulty pressure sensor. Don't panic. Most of these are simple fixes that don't require professional help right away. To start troubleshooting, ensure your washing machine is unplugged for safety. Check the water supply first. Make sure the inlet hoses are properly connected and the taps are fully open. If you notice any kinks or blockages in the hoses, straighten them out or clean them. Next, inspect the filter screen on the inlet valve. It's often located at the back of the machine. Use a small brush or cloth to remove any debris, as lint and sediment can build up over time. If that doesn't resolve it, try resetting your machine. Simply unplug it for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This can clear temporary glitches. For more advanced users, you might want to check the door lock assembly, but be cautious as this involves opening the machine. Remember, if the error persists after these steps, it could indicate a bigger issue like a defective sensor or pump, and it's time to call a certified technician. Always prioritize your safety and refer to your user manual for model-specific advice. There you have it, a quick guide to tackling Bosch error code F16. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.